Hi everybody, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Tuesday, October the 6th, 2020. My name is Tamer.
And I'm Laura.
And we're going to be starting the Euro-Yen analysis. Euro
skyrocketed against the Japanese yen on Tuesday, increasing the price of the Euro-Yen pair to more than 124.00. Ahead of the release of the European Consumer Price Index news, the technical bias remained bullish since the Euro-Yen pair marked a higher high in the recent upside move, as shown on the graph below.
Now the Euro-Yen is currently strengthening around the 124.55. If you look at the chart closely, you'll see the following resistance levels. At the resistance 1 is the 124.96, which is the upper trend line R. A second resistance is the 125.76, which is the high of September 15th. And finally, the third resistance you'll come across is the 127.07, which is the major horizontal resistance level.
On the downside, the Euro-Yen pair might find some critical support near mentioned below price. At support 1, it is 122.78, which is the lower trendline arm. At support 2 is 122.22, which is the confluence of the triplet support zone, which is the horizontal trend line and 38.2% Fibonacci level. 3, it's 121.00, which is a psychological number. The technical bias might remain bullish as long as the 122.22 remain. The major support zone remain intact.
That's a lot of twos there. The European Consumer Price Index news is something you will keep an eye out for. The Eurostat is scheduled to release stats concerning the European Consumer Price Index news this Friday, which is the 16th. As per the consensus of economists, the reading for European CPI remained at minus 0.4% in September. There is no change recorded as compared to the reading of 0.4% in the month before.
The stats for European CPI reflect the purchasing trends, representing whether the consumers are willing to spend more. CPI also tells about the positive inflation rise or dip. Generally speaking, a high reading suggests a bullish market for the Euro-Yen and vice versa.
In conclusion, considering the overall price movement of this pair in the recent days, buying the pair around the current levels might be a profitable move in the short to medium term trading. Now let's move on to the pound-yen analysis, which shouldn't be too different.
The gradient pound inched higher against the Japanese yen on Tuesday, increasing the price of the pound-yen pair to more than 137.00, ahead of the release of Britain's ILO unemployment rate news.
Now, the pound yen is currently trading around the 137.29. Once again, looking at the chart, you'll come across the following resistance levels. The first resistance is the 137.70, which is the immediate Fibonacci retracement level at 38.2%. Second resistance is the 138.35, which is the high of September 10. And finally, the third resistance is at 139.52, which is a major horizontal resistance level.
On the downside, a few price spots might help the price of the pair to sustain around the listed below support level. At support 1, it is 135.17, which is the low of September 2020.
Oh, you said 20.
30. At support 1, it is 135.17, which is the low of September 30th, 2020. At support 2, it is 134.38, which is the 61.8 Fibonacci level. At support 3, it is 133.38, which is a lower trendline arm. The technical bias might remain bullish as long as 134.38. The major horizontal support level remain intact.
And now for the UKILO unemployment news. The UK National Statistics is set to release stats concerning the ILO unemployment news on October the 13th, which is today, later on in the afternoon for us. According to economists' forecast, the ILO unemployment news registered a reading of 4.1% in August. The unemployment reading is just the same as it was the month before, which is 4.1%.
The UKILO unemployment rate reflects the expansion or contraction in the UK labour market. The figure for the ILO unemployment are expressed in percentage of the total civilian workforce in the UK. The ILO unemployment change is considered an important economic indicator. Generally speaking, decreasing numbers suggest a bullish market for the pound-yen pair and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, given the economic outlook of this pair the last week, just like the Euro-Yen, we're buying the pound yen around the current levels, which shouldn't have much concern about. So as usual, when trading, trade with your head, not your heart. Trade with only what you can afford to lose, and always apply strict money and risk management techniques.
Please don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Instagram. There's a lot for us to teach.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.